Kitty cat. Oh, kitty. There's the cat I was talking about. Yeah, what are you doing, kitty? You are just a big fat cat, aren't you? You gotta at least leave me alone. I know, no, kitty. Listen, I gotta go to my trailer. Sorry. No, you can't come in. I'm sorry, kitty. This is my house. No. No, no cat. Look, Moo Moo. You're a fat cat. You can't come in. Please leave me alone. I'm not gonna let you in. You're not allowed in my house, cat. No. I didn't know you were gonna go in, you rotten fat bastard. Okay, let's see what you're gonna do. This is my house. What do you think, huh? Do you like it in here? Of course you like it in here. But you can't stay. You can't stay. Sorry, kitty. No. This is my house. Stop it.